Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Disney series of the Business Caselette. Today we're going to be talking about a very crucial concept in business ethics: whistleblowing. This can be a rather heavy topic, don't you think? Businesses exploiting customers, deceiving them through clever marketing tactics, by which I really mean paying the absolute closest attention to detail in specific language used, so that customer demand builds without having to disclose, as the law ironically says, the whole truth and nothing but the truth. Oh yes, that topic. And while it thankfully doesn't happen often, there are instances where companies are in need of a whistleblower to put them back in line. Well, fear not, because although we are going to be talking about this heavy topic today, we are going to be doing so through the lighthearted lens of Disney's Monsters, Inc. To do this, we're going to unpack two sides of the equation. First, we're going to take a look at the business owner's errors, including their unethical strategic vision, business greed, and corrupt views of how to grow the company. And second, we're going to turn our eyes to our dynamic duo's journey in uncovering this corruption and the steps they take to correct the business's direction. Before we get going, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe below. It really helps us with the YouTube algorithm so that we can reach as many new friends as possible. Okay, let's kick it. To set the scene, the first thing we must talk about is our business owner, Mr. Waternoose. Mr. Waternoose is exposed for red flags throughout, quite honestly, the entire movie. In the very first scene, we see a marketing ad from Monsters Incorporated. This ad is intended to instill fear of children in the monsters of Monstropolis while elevating the work that Monsters Incorporated provides. Yes, it's dangerous work, but without screams, we have no power, the commercial says. The basic message of this commercial is human children are bad. Moreover, the energy is positioned as clean, dependable energy. We scare because we care, as if this method embodies sustainable practices through and through. We do, of course, see a little bit later on that human screams are not the only type of energy that monsters could use to provide their city with power. On the other hand, laughter is actually a perfectly viable option too. Talk about a more sustainable substitute. Yet while we are discovering this trade-off with excitement, it seems as though the bad guys, Mr. Waternoose and Randall, are already aware of this trade-off and are simply not interested. This is shocking, as even Mr. Waternoose himself has acknowledged kids these days, they just don't get scared as easily as they used to. And with an energy scarcity in Monstropolis and tons of doors needing to be discarded because a child has aged out of being scared by monsters, you would imagine that the business owner would be a little more interested in discovering a new substitute good for a previously thought of non-renewable good. In no time, we understand that the reason for this is that actually the bad guys have their eyes on scaling their business through a very different means. A corrupt means, cutting corners without regard for disclosure nor legal approval, which of course they wouldn't receive. This leads us to our discussion of our dynamic duo's journey to exposing the corruption. When Mike and Sully first find out about Randall's corrupt idea to revolutionize the scare industry, they bring their report directly to Mr. Waternoose. Unfortunately, Mr. Waternoose's reaction shows us a horrific potential for business leaders to be unethical and approach business gains through less than honest means. Mr. Waternoose put on an act, showing empathy and care to set everything straight again for the good of the company. However, in the same breath, he banishes Mike and Sully to the human world. In the real-world equivalent, we can imagine this being an employee who raises a concern but is wrongly let go, criticized under the guise of not being a team player in support of the business goals. In any case, we can see how wrong this is and how important it is that Mike and Sully stood up against the wrong they saw happening. In the end, we see our dynamic duo set things straight. They banish Randall himself, and they expose Mr. Waternoose in front of the CDA. They even catch him on tape saying, "I'd kidnap 1,000 children before I let this company die." All in, this shows us that sometimes the first try isn't enough to be heard, and just how important reliable proof is to successfully blow the whistle on a business or business leader. We do, of course, have a wonderful underlying message here, as we seem to always have in Disney movies. On the business side, the takeaway is that there's always an alternative to unethical business practices, and that there's always means to become more sustainable. And on the Disney side, our takeaway is that anyone can be a success in Monsters Incorporated and beyond. That's all for this time. Please be sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.